transit van, the hydraulic pipe for the power steering has failed. As you can see along here, it's failed, spraying out oil everywhere, or ATF, whichever way you want to look at that. So my solution to that is I've got some pipe to replace it with. Made up by a local supplier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the pipe and swage these olives and put a flexible in between the joint where it's damaged. Oh, that's a shame. So basically I've just chopped the pipe off, just here. Chopped it off just there. So when that's drained out, I will attempt to join it up. So I'm just going to start anyway. I'm going to try and make up a clean section of pipe. Good enough that I can clamp an olive around. So this is the nut, the olive and the thing, and when we pull it in, it'll crimp the edge of this into the pipework. Hopefully. So if we can get that on there as far as it'll go. That will then go on there. You know what? I might even look at trimming that back just a touch further, because I think that'll do a better job for the long term rather than it being too. And the bonus with all that oil leaking out still is it's going to clean the swart dust out. Good connection on there. I've just got to have a look at the other end. I'll clean that off. I had a little bit of rain across the valley. Proper bit of good rain. Work out how I'm going to do the other end. Hopefully it's going to reach. Maybe it won't. Okay, if we did, we did. So that's a good clean section. At least the piece that we're going to around here isn't rusty. I'm going to rejig the... Okay. So that's clean. Relatively clean. Perfect. And there is a little burr on the end. Can't really get the tools in very well on this bit. Right, let's see if we can make the hose reach. There's our replacement section hose. Look at that. Looks like I'd planned it. The hard bit on this one would be tightening it without knackering the original pipe. There we go. That looks like we've got a pretty good clamp on there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up top the header tank up for the power steering fluid, cycle steering left and right a couple of times, and then come back down and check for leaks. So I'm going to leave the camera there while I do it.